and welcome to our final clip today in our 80-20 series on the World in Focus podcast and Portuguese Made Easy. I'm Sir Dr. Idrinisi, your cultural ambassador, guide, and health skills developer here on our social space. Today we're going to look at describing, expressing when things are beautiful, when they're pretty, when they're elegant. So in Portuguese, they say bonito or bonita. Bonita for male or bonita for female. Bonita is pretty or nice, bonita. We also have elegante. Elegante is elegant, all right? But when they pronounce it, it has a C sound, elegante, okay? Simpatico, that's a male who's kind, or simpatica, that's a female who's friendly, all right? They always use this word legal, which is cool or nice. It's an informal Brazilian way of saying that something is cool. Okay, legal. All right, they use it very, very often. So if you want to form expressive, engaging conversations with persons who speak Portuguese and English, join us on the World in Focus podcast on Portuguese Made Easy, our series. Today we're looking at the 80-20 rule. Olá, meus amigos, eu sou o professor Adrian e bem-vindo ao nossa série Português Mais Fácil aqui no bloco social aqui. E today we're looking at the 80-20 series. Here we're looking at how to give compliments and describe beauty. From words like lindo to bonito to elegante and simpatico. Because knowing how to express appreciation is part of every culture, guys. And so why don't use it in Portuguese here on the World in Focus podcast? Let's start with our keywords. First, lindo or linda. Lindo is beautiful and linda is lovely. So in Brazil, they use male and female describing words, all right? So linda is for a female who they think is lovely, or something that is lovely, like a flower, linda flor, for example. Lindo, beautiful picture, all right? Você está lindo hoje. You look beautiful today. O lugar é lindo. The place is beautiful. We also have bonita and bonito, pretty or nice. O vestido é bonito. The dress is pretty, okay? Lisbon é uma cidade bonita. Bristol é uma cidade linda. Lisbon is a beautiful city. We also have elegante. Ela é muito elegante. She is very elegant. There's also simpatico or simpatica, kind or friendly. O professor é simpático. The teacher is friendly. And there's legal or cool, a Brazilian way of saying that something is cool or nice. Que legal, how cool is that? Okay? Que legal, yes. In Brazil, people love warm compliments. It's part of how they relate to each other. You'll hear você está linda or que lugar bonito. Often, and in my experience there for the 6 years that I lived there, you would hear it more often. In Portugal, compliments are actually more reserved, but still genuine, guys. You might hear está muito bonito or é elegante, okay? It's usually said with quiet admiration, especially in professional settings. The difference, isn't just language, it's, rhythm when we talk about cultures. In Brazil, compliments carry joy, energy, expressive tone, big smiles, whereas in Portugal, they carry refinement and subtlety, because usually they're closer to, Britain and those places, and because Portugal is European, they're more calm and reserved in their expressions. And in Barbados, we understand both, we mix warmth and grace, real natural, when we say, you look beautiful today, man, you're looking hot, or cheese down, brothers, I even see a dress looks so good in a long time. Now, repeat with me, guys, and feel the difference. Você é linda. You are beautiful. O lugar é bonito. The place is pretty. Ela é elegante e simpática. She is elegant and kind. Que legal. How nice. How cool. Now, guys, practice both tones, Brazilian warmth and Portuguese refined, to build up your ability to speak and master Portuguese. You've listened, you've learned, you've grown. Try complimenting someone using simpatico or simpatica, lindo or linda. Okay, legal, cool. Describe or express appreciation. And right at the bottom of this video, your experience. What is it like for you speaking these words for the first time? In our next episode, we'll talk about family and relationships. We'll look at words that people, use in family